This is Chad and Dalton here at Coyote Classics, and today we're going to be checking out some new inventory.
Yeah, a lot of neat stuff. A couple 63 Impalas, a low rider, some Mustangs, all kinds of stuff. So let's check it out. All right, as we come into this old showroom, here's our slew of sold cars. Sold 22 cars here this January. It's a great month for the winter. And we're gonna start with my favorite new inventory. This 63 Impala is fantastic.
Sweet.
It's a low rider too.
I hate showing it like this, absolutely filthy. It just came off the trailer, but look at it. Gorgeous, big block, power steering. Fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah, what I always say when they're a little dirty like this is if you like it dirty, you're gonna absolutely love it when it's clean. But this is, Justin had it up in his hoist yesterday, checking it in, and a full rotisserie restored. The underneath is amazing on it. That's awesome. Beautiful color combination too, that robin egg blue with the white. And we better not change them wheels because they just fit perfect with the whole theme of this car.
Okay, we'll leave them.
Start her up, let's see her bounce a little bit. 427 under the hood, I mean, come on. That's awesome. You can't have a 63 Impala without some air ride. This thing is awesome. Look at those exhaust tips too.
Not really sure how to run the front.
We're still learning. Wow, this thing's cool.
Gorgeous. So we got some pretty cool sold ones. We sold Copperhead. We sold the yellow Fastback. It lasted one day, which we knew that would sell immediately. ADL Camino here got sold, along with this gorgeous 1970 Fastback.
On that blue 70 Chevelle, we've had a lot of people asking, do you kind of know when, what's on the schedule for that?
Yeah, I'm hoping Tim gets that here probably. I'll probably put Tim on it next. Okay. But we got to buff it out and just do a couple more things to it. So
sounds good. Good to know. Well, we're going to go back. We're just getting started with this blue Impala. We got all kinds more stuff that we're going to check out too. So we're just getting started. We're gonna head back into our check-in bays. Got 3 new ones back here.
These 3 I'm super excited about.
I almost forgot about this Camaro. This thing is,
it's sick.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
And it's hard to tell when it's up in the air right now, but this has one of the best stances I've seen on a Camaro when it's sat down. 4-wheel disc brakes, big block, 4-speed. We've had a lot of people looking for a big block Camaro. This is the one you want. Red on red.
Yeah, power steering, power brakes, gorgeous, isn't it? Like you said, it just absolutely just squats on the ground.
Yeah,
it's fantastic.
It'll clean up great too.
Gorgeous paint on it, beautiful interior. It's factory tack car as well. So, and I drove this one when it came in, it drives great. How about a 1963 SS 409?
Dual quad,
yeah.
There's a rare Impala. And they all just came in there in the stages of getting cleaned up. But
yeah, the paint was really nice on it, but we're just giving, most of all these cars, we give it a good once-over buff. Body's laser straight.
And if you're wondering, the trunk lid's not shut all the way, so that's why it's sticking up a little bit.
Very nice though, isn't it? It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it is.
And both of these cars, both of these Chevys are red on red cars.
Super straight. Where the hell are the tires?
I took them off. It had black walls on it. It had Cooper raised white letters, so we went ahead and flipped the raised whites out. I think it'll give it a good look.
I think so too.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Looks just like it should.
Yeah, again, dual quads, power steering, fantastic. I mean, dirty as heck. We just got it in, but it's going to be really nice.
Nice, nice car. This is red on red also.
Look at the Mach. So this came in with the Magnum 500s, and they're 14-inch, kind of older wheels. Tires were older. I went with a 15-inch torque thrust, and I'm glad I did. I love the look.
I do too. Looks good, Charlie. Let's clean it up.
So Charlie's gonna put this one over on the showroom, and we'll get some pictures of it.
Got 351 with air.
Yeah, it does have air, 351 Ram air car as well, and it's got a functional Ram air. Just
Nice.
needs a couple new hoses, but it's all there.
Very cool. Let's continue on our journey of new inventory.
I think we mentioned this one last week.
Yep.
We still haven't got it into the check-in process. I decided to put a couple other ones in front of it, but hopefully this week that'll get finished.
Oh yeah, cool. We got this little Mustang coupe.
Yeah, Emberglow 1966. Really great car. Again, just came off the trailer. Has power steering, 289. This one, it was 14 below zero, and this little puppy started right up this morning.
I don't know if I believe it. My truck didn't even want to start.
I did. I don't know if I want to believe it. Are you kidding me? Michael, asked Michael. He's the one who did it. Anyway, it's a C code. Look at the top of the inner fenders. That's going to tell you how solid the floors and stuff are too. There's not a boil or a patch, anything on these top of these inner fenders. And take a peek at this interior.
Yeah, it's a good solid car. Pretty rare color too. You hardly ever see these Ember Glows. I wonder if it was a factory color on this car.
I'm guessing it was, but I'll check. But look at that. It's got the
Nice.
pony interior, full console. I mean, you name it. It's a gorgeous interior,
Deluxe
isn't it?
door panels. That's sharp.
Paint's nice on it. It's got a few little dings on the hood. But other than that, I think we're going to put those Magna 500s, those 14-inch on this one, and get it on the website.
That'll look nice. We seen this last week, but we didn't see it in its full beauty. We put some new wheels on it. Buffed it. Chad and I drove it today, and I was beyond impressed with like windows up, no wind noise, 70 miles an hour, drives like a brand new car.
It does.
I didn't really expect that. I knew it was a 17,000 original mile, nice car, but I just couldn't believe how this thing performed.
Whoever gets this is just going to be super happy with it.
How could you not? There's so many opportunities, whatever you want to do with it. If it was me, I would just keep it like it is, drive it and enjoy it. But I'm sure there's someone out there that's thinking about putting a big block in it.
Has some different plans. Now this car pretty much just came in this way. We did give it a light polish. This has not went through the detail shop yet. Jay hasn't touched it. But how about a 1974 Nova? Probably one of the nicest ones out there for sale. There's not a lot of 74s for sale. And this is definitely the nicest one on the market. 4-wheel disc brakes, black interior, tinted glass, absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it's nice. And you're right, you don't see a lot of the 74s.
No, you don't.
The only time I usually see a 74 is in the summers on the figure 8 tracks. People got a roll cage in them racing them.
Look under the hood, power steering, air conditioning.
Nice.
It's all been converted over. Nice running 350 dual exhaust headers. This one's gonna be in and out of Coyote Classics very fast.
Yeah, it's really pretty car. Very, very nice.
We got a couple more over in the other shop we can kind of talk about a little bit, Dalton. At least one more. This black Mustang I posted last week, we kind of talked about. That car turned out great. That'll make somebody a nice little coupe. So,
quick detour outside. This is that 69 Nova last week. It's getting ready to go to detail tomorrow, so the guys pulled it out of the shop, just waiting for Jay to pull it back in.
yep, we got wheel well trim on it. Other than that, it's ready.
Nice. That's a cool car too.
1971 Charger, sold last week as well. We're going ahead and we kind of talked about it a little bit. We were going to get rid of those dual 4s. We got a different manifold. Loomer just dropped off here. We picked up from a guy. We're going to paint that manifold up, put a single carburetor on there, and get this thing tuned in.
Yeah. Just make it kind of more what the next guy wants. Something to just, still fast, but good driver.
Check this out. Now this one, I know we talked about this when it was
Wow.
on Brandt's Hoist last week, but Jay's just finishing this up and it's fantastic, Dalton.
Yeah, it looks a lot better down on the ground. You can see the stance, the whole look of it.
It's gorgeous. Jay's gonna finish this one up today and be ready for hopefully pictures yet this afternoon.
I like all the blacked out bumpers, all the trim, TMI seats. What do you think, Jay?
It's coming along.
Coming along?
Yep.
All right. Yeah, I like it. Cool. What's your name for this one? Last week was Black Betty. What's this one?
I don't know. I ain't got one yet.
Ain't got one thought of yet? Black Cherry?
Black cherry, there you go. Black cherry.
Cherry. She is kind of cherry.
Black cherry.
It is damn cherry. What do you think of those stripes now as we look at it? Don't you like that? It's very
I do.
subtle.
Yeah, it looks pro touring. Those stripes.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Love the
Cool
car.
car.
Can't wait to see this all cleaned up.
One of our last ones is this little Mustang convertible. Just came off the trailer, so it is dirty.
It's quality though. I mean,
Yeah.
it might be a little dirty right now, but it's got an absolutely gorgeous interior. I mean, just a fantastic car. Ready to go. I drove this as soon as it came in, and it drives absolutely
Yeah, look
perfect.
at the paint and the door jambs. I'm excited to see this thing
Oh, it's
washed
gonna
up.
be
Because look
nice,
how
man.
wet that paint still looks.
I never did look under the hood to see what it's got for options.
We're gonna be surprised.
Oh,
Clean.
hey, it's nice though. Power steering and brakes.
Look at that. That's-
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, it's more of a show quality Mustang. I'll tell you, it's going to be nice. And it's a 67, huh?
Yeah, beautiful car.
All right.
Let's go back in where it's warm. It's like negative 14 out today.
Hey guys, thanks for watching so much. Check us out next Wednesday again as our Wednesday walk around continues at coyoteclassics.com.
Yeah, and if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You'll see all the cars we put on right away, as well as these Wednesday videos where we check out kind of a little behind the scenes stuff. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.